Okay, so now we're going to start working on some fighting stances. There are two types of fighting stance. The traditional one, which is used for defensive work, and we've got the sparring one, which is used for rapid movements. Okay. When we're talking about traditional fighting stances, this is when your feet are minimized. Okay. You've got the front foot tip off the floor, and the division of the weight is about 70-30. 70% at the back, 30% at the front. The right fist will be beside the jaw, and the left fist will be in front of the front jaw. So if you put your hands up, as you bring the elbows down, you'll see that one will be to the right of the jaw, one will be in front of the jaw. Okay? And from this way, it will be like this. And the reason why you've got the weight on the back of the leg is if you was in a fight, you would pull back and use a technique to counter whatever's coming at you. Now, sometimes the problem with traditional fighting stances is you haven't got a lot of time in between you and the attack. What I mean by that is, if you're in a traditional fighting stance, you've then got to change the weight, use a technique, land it, come back, and then change the weight to go back again. The good thing with the sparring fighting stance is that you've got almost 50-50. You're not with the feet flat on the floor, however you are just slightly forward, so the heels are just slightly off of the floor, and you're light and bouncing up and down. For sparring, this is preferably the stance to use, not to use the traditional fighting stance. Okay, so that's how we teach fighting, the two different types of fighting stances, one for sparring and one for defensive.